In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload auto loop videos on Behance projects. If you're looking to make your Behance profile stand out with dynamic content, this is definitely a noteworthy technique to know. Let's dive right in. First and foremost, ensure you have an active account on Behance. If you haven't signed up yet, take a moment to create your account. It's a simple process and only takes a few minutes. Once you have your account set up and ready, go ahead and log into your Behance account using your credentials. After logging in, navigate to your profile by tapping on the profile icon. This should bring up a drop-down menu where you'll want to select Behance Profile. Selecting this option will redirect you to your personal profile page, where you can manage and display all your creative projects. Next, let's get creative by tapping on Create Project. This is where you'll be uploading that captivating auto loop video. Upon entering the project creation area, you'll notice an option to upload your video. Before proceeding, make sure you have the video you intend to upload ready and easily accessible. For the upload process, it's important to decide on the format to use. In our case, we'll be using an embed auto looping format from Vimeo. Vimeo is a fantastic platform that supports a range of video features, including auto looping. So, the next step is to head over to Vimeo. Here, you must ensure that you have full access to their features, which might require you to be on an upgraded plan. With all that in place on Vimeo, find the Upload button and click on it. Choose the video you want to showcase. Make sure you selected the correct file from your preferred drive or library. Once your video is uploaded on Vimeo, navigate to the Advanced Settings. It's in this section you'll find the option for auto looping. Note that this feature might be available only with an upgraded plan, so check if your current plan includes it. Additionally, take some time to explore other actions available, as they can enhance your video's presentation. Ensure the embed option is toggled on in your settings. This step is crucial because you want to share your video as an embed for the auto loop feature to function smoothly. Once everything is in place, you'll need to copy the provided embed code. Finally, return to your Behance project page, locate the embed form, and paste the copied Vimeo embed code. This simple action will integrate the video into your Behance project, allowing it to auto loop as intended. And there you have it. You now have a striking auto loop video proudly displayed on your Behance portfolio. This feature not only enhances the visual appeal of your profile but also engages your audience in a unique way. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!